Let's get real. It's not your charts. It's not your indicators. It's you, losing the battle inside your own mind. I didn't lose money because I didn't know where support or resistance was. Having spent years learning to trade, I knew what needed to be done. I just couldn't do it. No matter how much I tried, I kept losing money. I lost because I overtraded when I swore I wouldn't. I froze on perfect setups like I'd never seen a chart before. I closed good trades out of pure fear, and then revenge traded like my life depended on it. I thought it was just lack of discipline, but it wasn't. It was deeper. It was old wounds. Fear of being wrong. Fear of losing everything. Fear of not being enough. It was a habit loop that worked like compulsion. When old pain hijacks the present. When the mind replays old scars, hoping this time the ending will change. The market isn't just charts. It's a psychological mirror, reflecting every fear, every ego trip, every scar we refuse to heal. I didn't lose to the market. I lost to my own story, over and over again, until I finally saw it. I stopped trying to trade perfectly. I started trading with awareness. Every time fear hit, I paused. Every time greed whispered, I listened, but didn't move. Now, I trade by system, not by feeling. No negotiation, and no emotion. Trading success isn't out there. It's inside. And every trade is a chance to rewrite the old story. I started this channel for one reason: to dismantle the myths about trading psychology. I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm here to tell you the truth. After years of battling my own mind, testing every method, and learning the hard way, I'm sharing everything I wish someone had told me. No shortcuts, no illusions. Because if you want to grow your trading account, you have to grow yourself first. There's no way around it. Subscribe if you're done being lied to. Subscribe if you're ready to face the real work. The dream of freedom is possible, but not the way the gurus sell it. It's possible the real way, through you.